somebody asks me what I do for a living, I no longer say I make other people's dreams come true because I'm a realtor, right? I tell them I talk on the phone. My job is to talk on the phone professionally, because even today is Saturday, I am booked with showings starting 9 a.m. finishing at 7 p.m. I have back-to-back showings with 4 different clients, and I'm driving around New Jersey showing homes. But still, even on Saturday, I'm talking between showings. I'm talking on the phone. Sometimes it's hard to keep an eye on the road and talk, especially if it's emotional, involves emotions when negotiating, for example, or explaining something to clients. So I have to tell you, my job as a realtor, and I guess when you're a busy real estate agent, that's your job. You talk to people all the time. So what do you do? Why do you talk so much? First and foremost, you negotiate deals on behalf of buyers and sellers. Number 2, you schedule showings. Sometimes you have to call the agent to schedule the showing. You find out about the condition of the homes that you're about to show. And first and foremost, you talk to attorneys, you talk to title company, but also you talk to your clients, explaining everything. Sometimes it might be very emotional, but that's what we do. So even today, today is the weekend, most agents are showing homes, but still I'm on the phone, and I'm already, I feel like my voice is going, because usually at the end of the day, of a working day, my voice is spent. Like, I have no voice to deal with my family with at the end of the day, because I talk too much on the phone. But that's the reality of it. So, and it's important, when you're a good real estate agent, you have to be a great communicator, you have to be a great negotiator. That's number 1, actually. So, chill.